Today I'm going to be walking you through how to design your own custom rolling trays, ashtrays, and even dab station.
Yikes, hit the spliff if it ain't too tight. Yikes, take a rip, got you feeling right. Yikes, Bubba Kush got me taking flight. We be like, trippy night.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tawana Marijuana. If you're joining here for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to my world of cannabis education as well as insight into the Canadian legal market. I am a Canadian cannabis influencer who basically normalizes cannabis advertising online, and it's very hard for cannabis brands to advertise, and so that's where I come in and I advertise. And of course, if you're returning back to my channel and have been here before and I am not new to you, thank you so much for supporting me and continuing to show me your support, because it's been months since I last posted on here and there's just been a lot of changes in my personal life. But now I am, what am I? I'm
stupid.
just very excited to be sharing these experiences with you and taking you on this journey with me. Now, before I get into it, I just need to ask you a huge favor. Scroll down below and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave a comment if you'd like. Alright, so from your web browser, you're going to want to go to moodtrays.com. As you can see, they have free shipping on all US orders and orders to Canada, as long as it's over $99. So yeah, let's get into it. Once you tap that start now, you could scroll through all the products that they customize. Like I mentioned, I have the dab station, the mini rolling tray, classic ashtray, and the K9 ashtray. Next, I want one of these wall lights. It's my next purchase for sure. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your own Bluetooth rolling tray, which is the larger size out of the rolling trays. The process to design all the products are basically the same, so although I'm going to be showing the rolling tray today, you could apply these same steps to any of the products. So this is the design interface right here. You could see that there's lots of tools. You could upload your own images. I would highly recommend uploading images in the PNG file, meaning there is a transparent background. Or you can like browse through some pre-saved images as well. This is where I already have pre-saved images because I've done this a few times. But you could upload from Instagram, Facebook, or you could upload images from your phone. Now we're going to look into the third tab down, which is the text section. They have different colors, font sizes, if you want to have it aligned to the left, right, in the middle. And they also have like weird shapes of the font too, so you can make them funky.
Got it!
And if you scroll down, you can play with the angles, the curves, and then the level top and then the level bottom. I suggest making a profile, that way you could save your designs onto your account without having to start from scratch every time you visit the Moodtrays website. Here you'll notice that I have my PNG photo, and I'm just trying to center it and resize it. You can also change the color of the product itself. Right now I have the white rolling tray, but if you click the paint palette, then there are several different colors that you can choose from. Once you're happy with your product, you'll just add to cart. And then once you review your cart and you're happy with the products that are inside, we're going to head to checkout, where I will show you where you can add your discount to receive 10% off. Over here is where you'll fill out your information for shipping, and after you complete filling out the information, scroll down and hit that continue shipping button. Once you hit continue shipping, it'll take you to another page where you can then place in T10, and this is where you can apply your coupon code and receive 10% off your entire purchase.
We got a problem.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.